Yeah.
It is really hot in our part of the country. Let's look at the region. 113 in Phoenix. Now, they're a little lower elevation than Las Vegas, so they're almost always going to be a few degrees hotter than we are. That's a crown that they can keep, in our opinion. 109. The forecast here, gosh, when LA is 87 degrees, San Francisco is 80 degrees, it's hot. And certainly that's the case locally. Around 4 p.m., I'm looking for temperatures to peak. Like I said, 109 at McCarran, same on the east side in downtown Henderson, 108 down by the Henderson Airport, say around Anthem, 106 in Summerlin, 105 Blue Diamond, even up at 7,500 feet around the town of Mount Charleston. 85 degrees, that's warm stuff by their standards. Reschedule activities outside for the early morning or just wait until it's dark. That happens by about 8 p.m. It's a good time, even though it's still pretty hot at 8 p.m. Decent time of early evening for a dog walk or a jog. Hydrate, obviously, wear light colored, lightweight, loose clothing. Help keep your body cool. Seek the shade and take breaks in the air conditioning. Folks vulnerable to this heat, most vulnerable, we all are, but those who have to be outside and those who don't have reliable air conditioning. So we're talking 109 today, the wind is calm. Tomorrow 110, the wind is still fairly quiet. Red light, as in stop, don't do it, to any sort of outdoor activities that don't need to be done because being out in this dreadful sunshine, this dreadful heat can really drain your body. Still 109 on Friday. We bumped that number up a couple degrees, but the breezes could start to kick in Friday, so we'll also have to think about a bit of a fire threat as we head from Friday into the weekend. You can see the hazy sunshine, no wildfire smoke across this part of the west. So visibility is decent. This little kind of grunginess in the lower part of the sky, that's just the ozone that builds up and gives us moderate air quality. It's 98 already at McCarran, 93 Summerlin, 99 in Centennial Hills. 13-hour forecast says triple digits from midday right on through the late afternoon. Like I said, after dark around 8 p.m., you can get outside for that walk around the neighborhood, but it's still going to be 100 or so degrees. We'll drop down into the 90s during the evening, and after midnight, we'll briefly dip down into the 80s. Couldn't be any drier across this part of the west. A few monsoon-type showers developing between Phoenix and Albuquerque, kind of out there over the mountains, and that's where they'll stay. Futurecast says the monsoon stays hundreds of miles off to our east for the next few days. So it's all about the heat. That excessive heat warning for these dangerous temperatures up near 110 is going to be with us today, tomorrow through Friday. That warning will expire at 8 p.m. on Friday. Still awfully hot for your outdoor weekend activities. 105 Saturday, 103 Sunday. Dana, we'll look for a few thicker high clouds on Sunday. No rain chance at all. And even though we'll keep a few thin clouds around next week, still not looking at any storm chances. So it's all about this dry heat for at least the next week.